you guys want? Oh my gosh, they're barking like crazy. What is it? Is there a delivery man outside? Christmas tree. Yep, there goes FedEx. You're working at the FedEx man. That's not nice. He's a nice guy. Giving us all our Christmas gifts. Let's go see. Did we get anything? Oh, we did. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan if you're new here. And today is December 12th. December 12th, 2019. And I think, I really don't want to jinx myself. I'm going to try to vlog every day up until Christmas. Sorry, this room is messy. I'm going to try. I'm not going to call it Vlogmas because I feel like, which I've done before, I think I did it 2 years ago. I'm going to try this year again just to kind of challenge myself to get back into video making and editing and filming and whatnot because I really want to, and I keep saying I'm going to get more regular about it. And I found this on the web. Anyway, Siri thinks I'm talking to her, but I'm not. I'm talking to you guys. I can try to vlog every single day and we can just have fun and not try to, you know, make these videos really real and fun. Those are the videos I like to watch anyway. It's getting close to Christmas, and the other thing that December means is that I'm done with school! At least for another 3 weeks. I just finished fall semester. I am in graduate nursing school. I'm in a grad entry program to become a family nurse practitioner. Officially, like almost exactly at the halfway point. I finished all of the pre-licensure coursework, so I've finished all the coursework I need to become an RN or a registered nurse, and I can now, well, I just have to wait for the letter to be sent to the Board of Nursing, but I can now sit for the NCLEX exam and get my RN and start my NP clinical work. So that is very, very exciting, and I'm so thrilled to have that portion of the schooling behind me. It was very valuable, but I'm so stoked to actually now learn about the role of an NP and really dive into that because that's really what I want to do. I'm so excited. I will definitely keep you updated if you have questions about that, if you're interested in nursing or nursing school tips and stuff. Definitely leave me you guys' video requests down in the comments of this video because we've got 12 days of videos to shoot and I'd like to have a little bit of a theme for each one. So if you have questions or want to see something or anything, just let me know and I will make sure to make either a whole video about it or definitely address it in one of these videos. I am just doing some work right now. I just took a shower, as you can tell. I'm gonna continue doing some work until like lunchtime, and then I think I'm gonna walk the dogs later because it's supposed to the temperature's supposed to get up there a little bit and I don't feel like freezing. Yeah, Jackson's barking. Let's go get him. How are you guys' holiday seasons? Let me know what holidays you celebrate. Do you celebrate Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, any other, you know, holiday? Whoa, look at my, let's look at Jackson. Jackson, oh, he's at the back. Here you are. Is it chilly? Oh, this door gets stuck. Come on, guys. Hey, hey. Look what Sally did to the rug. Whoops, whoops. Who remembers my advent calendar from Vlogmas 2 years ago? My mother-in-law made this and gave it to us. So today is 12. So I already took the little charm out from 12. There's this little duck or geese or swan, I don't know. And I pinned it here. So now, this many days until Christmas Eve. How cute is that? I love it. Sally has her new gingerbread man. My mom got them gingerbread Santas. And they fight over them, even though they're exactly the same. Don't you? Okay, it's a little bit later. Sun is out, it's a little warmer. I'm trying to find a scarf. Let's see, which one do I want? There we go. It's not quite warm enough that I don't need a scarf, but that will help. I hate when my neck is cold. I hate it. All right, as soon as they see me get my coat out, it's like on. Okay. What else do I need? Did you hear Sally yawn? What did you just do? Jackson's like, let's go. What are you doing? You want treats? Can we sit? Good boy, good girl. I was just getting ready to leave to run a couple errands, and my Copia farm box came, so I thought I would show you what I got in it. If you watched my last What I Eat in a Day video where I talked about my diet changes, it's the farm that I do get a lot of meat and eggs from. It's actually the only place I've really been getting any meat and eggs from. It's the only place I feel comfortable because I've been to the farm, I know how they treat the animals, and I really like their regenerative farming practices, and it's local to me. I thought I'd show you what I ordered and what I like to keep stocked in the freezer. Okay, so I got 2 packs of chicken thighs. There's 4 in each one. I also got some of their chicken broth. It comes frozen. I've actually never tried it before, and I'm super excited to try their broth. I'm sure it's gonna be really, really good. And then 3 packs of grass-fed ground beef. And they're so cute. They send this little note card in every package, which is super nice. But I really like getting meat on the bone. I've been doing a lot of research, and it's a lot more nutritious and also tastes a lot better when you cook it. It's just much more forgiving when you cook it. So I'll keep all this in the freezer. This will last a very long time because I'm still not eating that much meat. I just like to stock up and have it in the freezer. I just got home from picking up my farm box. So that was one of the errands that I had to run, that and get my eye drops. I got my eye drops, honey. What are you messing with the Zoom for?
It's too close.
I was talking earlier about the local delivery that I got with our meat and eggs, and
Jackson.
Oh, I love you. So I get a CSA box, which stands for Community Supported Agriculture, and that's just a way to get local produce. The farmers market in our town is Saturday morning, and it's just very easy for me to say I'm going to go, and then I don't. So I paid up front for a every other week CSA box for the summer and in the fall, and that just really holds me accountable and makes sure that I'm going to get and support local produce. And my #1 tip for the easiest way to boost nutrition is to eat local in-season produce. So let's just kind of see what we have in here. Ooh, some Swiss chard and some kale. Look how pretty that is. And what I love is this will last in the fridge in plastic with maybe a paper towel stuck in there. It will last for like 2 to 3 weeks because it's so fresh. And when your food actually ripens naturally, look at these cute sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh, look at all these sweet potatoes. And then a whole, oh my gosh, this would be like 2 bunches at the grocery store. A huge bunch of collard greens. When your food ripens naturally and it isn't forced to ripen or sit on the grocery shelf, it withholds so much more nutrition. Look at all those carrots. Beautiful carrots. Bag of leaf lettuce, be really good for salads. Couple onions. We like red onion, don't we? And then all those sweet potatoes. Oh, I got more beets. This is the one thing I struggle with though, is like it forces me to cook vegetables that I don't like, and beets are one thing I do not like. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with them. I usually do like hummus or a pesto. And then look at this. Got some fresh apple cider. Do you like apple cider?
Yeah.
I don't.
It's all mine then.
It's all yours, this whole jug. So some locally made apple cider, preservative free. How cool. So there's so many reasons to buy local, and I'll leave some links for some, like with some resources for how to find local produce or local farms where you are. But again, it supports your community. It puts the money back into your community. It supports the environment because a lot of local farmers use regenerative practices. Even if it's not organic, I still think local is the better option as far as produce and animal products. Now I gotta put all this away.
Look at that nice little friend you got with it too.
What friend?
Right there.
Oh my gosh! No! No! Oh my gosh, okay, so this is what happens when you buy local and it literally comes right from the farm. Like,
That's the wolf spider there.
well, that's like a baby one. What do I do? I'm freaking out. I'm kind of freaking out. What do I do?
Grab a paper towel and I would throw it outside.
I don't know. What if it jumps? Is it gonna jump? What if that had gotten on me?
It's a risk you take when you
I
buy
literally would have freaked out.
local.
This is how you know it's organic.
That's right. It's a risk you take.
This is how you know it's organic, but I'm sorry, I'd rather have a spider than preservatives in my body. Oh! Jack, help.
I'm a worse.
Cut. These are the local ingredients I'm going to use in our dinner tonight. I'm just going to roast some of these sweet potatoes. I'll just cut them up in chunks. And we'll probably do like a green salad on the side with some of these greens. And then I'm going to use these mixed chard and kale leaves in a frittata and probably throw a red onion in there. Tossed my sweet potatoes with some avocado oil and then a little bit of garlic powder, thyme, and paprika, and then also some pepper and salt. That's gonna go in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes.
She's smiling.
Oh my gosh. Spoiled. So spoiled. Over here, I have one, I'd say like medium to small size red onion, just diced up. Just sauteing that in my cast iron skillet with some avocado oil. You just want to use a high heat oil and make sure whatever pan or saute pan you're using is oven safe because the frittata is going to finish in the oven. And then I just cracked my eggs. That's going to go over there. Done with that.
Dang.
Oh my gosh, this is still happening. In the frittata, this is like my foolproof, going to taste amazing way to make a frittata. I add some minced garlic, and then I add 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. This is nutritional yeast here. I just buy it in bulk. You could add cheese if you eat cheese. But this is kind of like my substitute for like normally adding Parmesan to a frittata. I like to add nutritional yeast. It just gives it a really savory, yummy, cheesy flavor that just even more brings out like the savoriness of the eggs. And then I love tarragon with eggs and with chicken. It's such an underutilized herb. And so I'm just using the dried herb tarragon, and a little goes a long way. So just like a 1/4 teaspoon, and then a dash of cayenne red pepper. Just want to chop the greens up really finely into bite-sized pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and add them to our red onion that is cooking in the pan. And don't be like me and try to do it one-handed, because that will happen. And then this will all cook down and get nice and wilted. Look how much they've wilted down. I'm going to add our egg mixture, which I just mixed up, well, whisked up. Just color that right on top. And I just kind of like to even it out. Make sure there's some greens in every bite. You're just gonna wait until the edges start setting, and then it's gonna go into the oven and finish cooking with sweet potatoes, and then everything should be done right at the same time. Just in case that clip that I made earlier didn't come out very well, some of the benefits of eating locally are, you know, obviously you're supporting your local community, and the food doesn't have to travel as far. So, you know, it's better for the environment. My number one tip for boosting your nutrition, if you're already someone that likes to eat vegetables and likes to eat produce, my number one tip is you don't need to take fancy supplements, pay for, you know, superfoods. Just buy local foods. They are natural superfoods because they are just like hyped with the amount of nutrition like that you think of in, like, let's say, you know, you think of vitamin A being in sweet potato or in carrot. If you're getting it local where it was just recently picked, the amount of vitamins and minerals that are available in those local foods is going to be way beyond what you can ever find at your grocery store, unless your grocery store is awesome and sells local foods. I think it's just really helped me connect with cooking, connect with eating with the seasons. I love getting vegetables every week and then using those vegetables to inspire my meal plan and what I'm going to eat for the rest of the week. We've got some sweet potatoes, roasted sweet potatoes, a couple slices, excuse you, couple slices of frittata, and then we'll have some of these local mixed greens on the side. Add in some of this Primal Kitchen Italian vinaigrette. Been doing like what the French do and having my salad after I eat my meal. They say it's better for digestion, and I actually kind of like it. And it finishes the meal nicely, and then you're not really craving anything else. So that's what we're gonna do. All done with dinner now, and just having a glass of water. Jack went to go golf, and I think I'm just gonna edit this vlog. I'm just really like motivated to get back into it. So really hope you guys enjoyed this first video, but I really enjoyed, you know, sharing with you guys about how local foods are, you know, my top number one tip to boost nutrition. So I hope you guys like that too, and I hope that inspires you to maybe think about where your food comes from and how you might be able to source more of it locally or from where you live. Of course, I know it's not feasible for everyone, but if you have the means and the accessibility around you, why not? If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want to see more vlogs and day in the life, and I will see you hopefully very, very soon for another one.